This is the Puma 6-meter lathe, manual lathe with a 1250 swing that's currently in stock. Now, the machine is quite a large machine, so I'm going to take you through all the different features on it. You have a 140mm spindle bore, through spindle bore, so you can fit 130mm bar through there comfortably. That is the headstock, so it's typical headstock where you've got all your different feeds and speeds and your setting. And there's just to change track direction, switch on coolant and so on. The machine does come with a cover over the chuck, which is just over here. It hasn't been fitted as yet, and it comes standard with a 1 meter diameter 4-jaw chuck. It's a big sucker. You have 2 different size steadies with the machine, so one can go down smaller diameter and one is a larger diameter. That's the traveling steady that's on the machine. Here is the carriage. Now, with this machine, it is the traditional 4-way tool post. The reason why we put that on is because these are more rigid than the quick chain. So with a machine this size, we want to keep the rigidity because you're doing large work. So you don't want any vibration or anything to sacrifice in your machining. This machine over here is underneath here. You have a compound feed, so you can do tapers. It also comes standard. We haven't taken off the wrapping yet, but that over there is your 2-axis digital readout. So it's for the full length of the 6-meter and for the crossride as well. There's your rapid traverse handle, and that's here is your carriage. Going further down the machine, this is your tailstock, and it is an electric tailstock because you don't want to be moving that manually. It'd be a bit painful. So that over there comes standard with an electric tailstock.